All right, let's take a look at a binomial probability equation. In a binomial situation, n equals 5, pi equals 0.40, determine the probability of x equals 2. So this practice problem is obviously breaking things down into the most basic of terms. Over here I have our formula and the meaning of everything. So before we get started, I'm going to simply rewrite our formula here. So we're trying to find the probability of x, which is a random number, having 2 successes, okay? And then our number of trials is 5, and pi value is, or this is x, of 2. And then this is, I'm just going to use parentheses so we can keep track of these zeros here. And we're going to raise this to the pi to the x value, which is 2. And then 1 minus pi, 0.40. We're going to raise it to the n minus x, which is 5 minus 2. Okay, so there's a bunch of different ways you can solve this. I like to choose the path of least resistance. Some people like to use Excel, that's fine. If you've got a nice graphing calculator, you can do it on that. Or I wanted to show you something that everybody would have access to. So if you go to this website here, this stattrek.com, and if you go here, so you can pause it and go to this, and I'm going to pull it up right now. This is what it looks like. Looks like a binomial calculator. And I have already put in the information, so let me just step you through it with our problem. So the probability of success on a single trial, that's our pi value, 0.4. The number of trials, n, is 5, and the number of successes, x, is 2. So all you have to do is put these in. I'll show you quickly. So 0.4, number of trials is 5, number of successes is 2. You hit the calculate button, and right here it gives me my binomial probability as 0.3456. So just a reminder, let me move this out of the way, 0.3456, so our probability of 2 successes is 0.3456. And so we would rewrite this as a percent, usually. So my final answer would be 34.56% probability of x equals 2. So the number of successes to equal 2 in this scenario.